What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys two of my favorite slimes. So let's get started. And please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Please no hate, because I've gotten a lot of hate on my videos, which has caused me to delete practically all my videos. Anyways, let's get back to this video. So the first slime I have made is this black glitter slime. And I did not dye this black, or I didn't put any glitter. I used the brand new glitter glue, and it's black right there. And it's really messy making this. Really messy. But yeah. It's actually turned out to be, I wasn't trying to make it butter slime, but it turned out to be butter slime, and this is one of my favorite slimes. And yeah. And like when you stretch it, and it has a lot of bubbles in it, and you could poke it a lot, and then, hold on. It's kind of like clear, kind of. You could see me through there. Oh. But yeah, that was the first one. Look at it close. Yeah. There it is. Yeah, this is, okay, the next one is humongous. It's in this Ziploc bag, and I couldn't find a container big enough for this type of slime because it's really big. And I kind of mixed this in with some of this. So let's get this out. It's been sitting out for a couple of days, so I'm not going to be surprised if it's sticky, kind of. It's a struggle. Some of it's getting out. Oh no, a lot of it's sticky. But yeah. Get this off. There it is. So this is gigantic. And it's humongous, and it's super stretchy. And over there is it's a Halloween doll, and I decorated my room kind of for Halloween. And I've added some new things for Halloween. Oh, make it the perfect angle there. So yeah, let's put this bag in the back in its bag. And stuff that in there. So that's the end of the video. Goodbye, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.